Hey dude, what's going on? It's you, Sister Dude, Sister Duck, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are again playing Let's Say on Survival. It's about the third try to record. So yes, so the first try, something went wrong. The second try, I got scammed, but don't worry, I got my money back, don't worry. Scammed $25, but I got my money back because if anyone scams anyone in my family, we are serious and we will go up to a lawyer to get this stuff back. That's how serious we are. So I got my money back. Don't worry. I didn't buy it yet, but I should be able to now. Bye. And let's see. And oh my god. Yo, what? I swear, it's not there. It doesn't say it. What happens? Okay, technical difficulties. No, I'm sorry, dude. I kind of got scammed, but don't worry. Don't worry. I know what to do. So we follow the steps. We got all the equipment. But if I go to equipment and you can see I don't have it. Like I try to buy it, but it doesn't work because I don't have the money. But it's okay. It's got a suggestion for my younger brother. Don't worry. He knows a lot about this stuff. He might be younger than me, but he knows a lot about this stuff that I don't. Yeah, because unlike me, he actually paid attention in technology classes, and every technology class he paid attention to. I just ignored most of the instructions on what to do because I was at the back of the class on my phone. So that was me in every electronics class ever. So I don't know any of this stuff. But man, I tried. Okay. Boom, there we go, and I'm gonna put that in there. So dudes, yeah, I'm gonna have to buy something else. Let's see, there we go, no. Oh, yes, okay, cool, boom. Okay. I'm gonna close them down. Alright dudes, I'll be right back. Alright, so dudes, I might not try it, okay. But that doesn't go there. I need to put that in here. Yep. Here. And let's see. Alright, hold on, dudes. Come on. I'll be right back. Alright, so let's see. So let's go here. Oh no, so I forgot to mention, dudes. Yes, so if I'm able to get to 25 subscribers, it will. Yeah, so if I get to 25 subscribers, when I get to 25 subscribers, I'm actually gonna. I'm actually gonna make a video, and the first comment that appears on that video. The first comment that appears as a challenge, the first person to post a challenge, when you get to 25 subscribers, I will do that. The first person to comment, I will follow I'm gonna follow it, yeah. And I'm gonna hoard it, so don't worry. Or I love it, or whatever Hoard it just sounds weird. It sounds like hoard it. Which doesn't make any sense at all, but okay. Okay, so go here and boom. Boom, put all. And I'm gonna go crafting it. Actually, no, I don't need that, no. Never mind, inbox actually. I might have to go crafting. So anyway, dudes, I'm going to do this, and I'm gonna get that, no. And boom, I got the stickers, and go. Put in the machine, put in the paddle, there we go. Cool, sorting, there we go, and cool. Alright dudes, I may have gotten scammed, but that does not mean I'm not gonna play this game anymore. I love this game. Yeah, so it doesn't matter if I'm scammed or not, I will play this game. But I will get my money back, and I will find a way to purchase something to make up for it. Don't know what yet, but I will make up for it. Split. Boom. 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 I need more wood. I'm gonna catch a fishing rod craft, and I need a tape. I got that. Plastic. Planks and oh wait, planks, not pine planks. But how much should I take the fishing rod? Where is that at? It's fishing rod. Okay, I need rope and an adhesive. Luckily, I got that stuff. No, that's my weapon. Shit, I'm gonna wear a torch and rope and adhesive. Go. Boom, boom, and fishing rod. Boom. We're going out of the kickle. And now I'm going to boom and boom. So no, that's my inbox. Sorry. I did not mean to do that. I'm trying to go crafting, and I'm going to see what I can buy. Just craft with plastic. A bunch of plastic. I don't know what. Oh, that's hard to fucking handle. Wow. That's cool. Water protection on stream. Okay, kitchen stove. Ooh, I need lots of that. Okay. I need to get some Forsaken. No. Cool. Medical table. That's useful actually. Alcohol out of berries. And then, yeah, I need alcohol for Forsaken. That's useful. Okay, I'm gonna build that now. But I need more planks. Like more pine planks, I mean, yeah. Need to go. Okay, this is 1-to-1? 1-to-1. Yeah, it's 1-to-1. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna go here. And boom. And put another 5 in there. Let's set this to maybe 11 hours. We've left for 17 hours. It's cool. Okay. Damage is 5. 1.1 speed. Nice. Trying to Disney damage. The sword of fishing rod is not made for weapon, kids. That is not made for weapon at all. Oh my god. Alright, so sword shield. And boom, and no, not that. Boom, and boom. Okay, cool. Nice. Sword shield. Boom. There we go. I'm just gonna delete all my walls. Yeah. So delete, boom. Delete, boom. My logs and delete, boom. And I have no walls here, except for over there, but I don't care anymore. So I'm gonna search over here, put that into that, into one of search, okay. Cool. So I'm gonna get my cloth back. Search, no, not that. Search this. I got the cloth. Okay, cool. We're good. And now I'm gonna go out hunting. I'm gonna wreck some people. I got full protection. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's freaking go, dog. Yo. Freaking go, yo. Oh, wait. I forgot to turn this on my plant Bible. Okay. I'm at to with my plant Bible in some class. Yeah. Temperature. Some reason to extremely cold. Get yourself in warm clothes. Yeah, I know, white. I know. Yeah. And dude, if you didn't know, if your character gets cold, then that means to move a lot, so you take damage and you can't attack. It's really bad. It is horrible. Okay, so craft, bandages, craft, bandages, boom. I've got 6 of those. And 4. Survivors, we've been surviving in the wilderness for years, and we've learned a lot. We build our houses, cool paints, and make weapons. Nice weapons to survive. Yeah, houses for like shelter, and I don't need walls because the zombies always knock them down. So annoying. Cool plants. I don't know. I don't really care about plants. I just care about crops. Oh, big dude over here. Okay. Wait, no, that's just a roaming zombie. Why am I thinking that's a big dude? Wow. Boom. Sneaking, there we go. Boom! Boom! Get out. Sneaking, there we go. Metal pipe bot, woman zombie. Smack! I don't need your stuff. There okay, cool. Oh, wait, no, get out of here. Oh, bend pipe. Boom! 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 Sword, nope, you're useless. Okay, cool. Sword, take all, boom. And nothing over there. I'm gonna start this thing and I'm gonna get to the loot. I'm gonna what you do is oh, another machete. Nice. Bolts on a tape. I need that. Yes. Nice. Go over here, papa. Watching. Nope. Blue pine log. Oh, hello. Boom, torch. Give me your cloth. Give me your cloth. Give me your cloth. Ha ha ha. I just need one piece of wood, that's all I need, that's all I need. That's all I need, split. Auto, Dorsey, okay, Dorsey, I'm also hungry, okay, I'm gonna eat steak, boom. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna be collecting wood for a while, dudes, and don't worry. If I think I have enough, I'm gonna exit, dude. And this is a big adventure. I shall venture into the wilderness and defeat all these monsters, and I shall rule the world. Or what stuff is it? Yeah. Oh, into this fall. Okay. The fall's gonna start. We're putting everything away. Okay, cool. Bleh. Kaboom! You're back. Can I smash this skull tree down with the skull crusher? Nope, it just goes right through the tree. I have a ghost of weapon, literally. Oh my god. I have a ghost weapon. Ooh, spooky weapon. Can only kill zombies. Ah, wow. Nice, man. Okay. Think about it. So we've been bungers and hoy. There's still a lot of parts. Get a lot of parts. Okay, show me. Yo. Run, dude. Yeah. Away. Oh yeah, man. Money. I'm all for that of energy and top. This one gone, boy. If it's a player thing, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, I might do it, but if they have a gun, I'm not gonna do it. This is really bad. I'm just gonna try to loot this stuff. So please just have zombies. Oh, flip, they have survivors, of course. Okay. I'm gonna go over here, search. And unfortunately, you can't see from these dudes, man. Okay. And attracted, okay. Hopefully. Oh, ha, lose order. Oh, why? Wiring ticket. Boom. Go over here. Boom. Boom. Oh, flip. Fucking I'm not good at this. Oh my god. Crafting, I need to craft a gun to shoot you in the face with, boy. I swear, I'm gonna get my stuff and I'm gonna smack you straight upside the head with a freaking skull crusher. I'm gonna crush your skull to dust. What does this do? Oh, cool. Nice, I don't know what I did, okay. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing with extra cord anymore. That's the worst letter. Oh, tools, okay, cool. Home. Yo, nice. Antidote, yes. We're to one event. Okay, cool. Nice. Get premium. Oh my god, yes, bye. Oh, but I don't have enough. Never mind. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Wow. Oh my god, they got a new cool MGL. Like MLG. Oh. Boxing. Okay. Enter. I'll punch this dude to death. Yeah. I run over here. Oh, flip. Hey, dude. Hey, back off. You aren't cool. Don't try to think about it. I need to get myself a little weapon, please, and maybe my bandages. Show me. I'm gonna try to get my stuff. I shall attempt to get my stuff, and I will not end the video until I get my stuff. And unless the video ends on its own, which if it happens, then oh well, it is what it is, man. Whatever. And hand to hand fight. Now all zombies. I'm interested in players, man. This is an NPC player, though. And he is mad, boy. He mad, yo. In my sneaking. Is he over here? Go. Oh, flip. You gotta be kidding me. I gotta get my stuff and I'm gonna run. I have to run. No. I gotta run. I gotta run. Oh no. I had a freaking fishing rod on me, dude. Just give me my freaking stuff back, man. Oh my god. Why you doing that, man? Oh my god. Show me. And I will get my stuff back, I swear. Which is the last thing that happens to me. I will run and I'm gonna get myself back. I shall ignore the pain. And big parts and let's go. Oh. No, you don't. I'm so mad. This dude is killing me, I swear to God. You will get it. You're gonna get it, dude. You are gonna get it. You are so gonna get it. Use that meat. You're dead meat. me heal? No? Okay, cool. There's no heal. Flip! I'm gonna go get a weapon. Machete. Equip. You're fucked. Get the heck, dude. Haha, dude. Oh, my mommy. I don't want for my life. Well, dudes, I will not give up. I am not going to give up until I get my stuff. I shall not give up. I did take all buttons, so I should be good to get my stuff back. I'm gonna wreck this dude, and I'm gonna take his face off and hang it on my wall. One. Bye. Bob, fit going, boy. You want that bar boom. Ching. Bye again. Come on. Yes. Yo, I got my money back. I'm gonna freaking buy that minigun. I'm gonna buy that pack, boy. Equipment. Okay, cool. Okay. Buy it, boy. Whoa! Want to buy heavy equipment? Let's go! I did not get it's game that for. Yay! Ha ha! Yay! Inbox. Oh! Yeah. Oh yeah! Yo, this dude, you already know I'm gonna come in like a king. Equipping. Oh my god, 48 freaking armor. Let's go. Let's go, man. No way. Side times 2, 多面天闪作你那个 Yes. I got my stuff, boy. You cannot kill me. I will kill all your people and I'm gonna lick your face. Ha 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 ha. Na na na. I'm gonna run over here. I'm gonna wreck your ass. Get over here, you little bitch. Boom. Get out. You're not funny, boy. Yo, nice. Take that and take that. Boom. Boom. Oh, he doesn't see me. Ha ha ha. I'm in myself. Yes. Take all my boom. I need a freaking backpack, man. Such. I'm gonna take that and take that, and I'm gonna not take anything else. Okay, cool. I'm just trying to get back my stuff. Oh flip, he coming. Haha, loser. Ah, boom. It's fully cool. Ow. You should die, boom, boom. You die, bitch. You the baddest, boom. Ha ha ha. You have to get me. You can't get me. You can't get me, little loser. You're not gonna kill me. You're not gonna kill me. Kung Fu, yes. Inventory, boom. He pen 5 and warp, okay, cool. Sword cigar, boom. Sword cigar, and I need one more up. Oh, flip. You twitching, you'll be dead, okay. Boom, bitch, you die, fool. Oh. Hiya, pen 5. That's it. Come on, and the pen 5 daughter. I'm gonna wreck all these noobs. I'm gonna wreck all these noobs. I'm gonna take all this stuff. Forgotten up, look at cool. Nice, dude, wow. Oh no. No, I'm supposed to succeed, that's fine. I need speed. He's back. Oh no, I need one more fiber. Okay, cool, auto. Boom. Charge, Boy, you are that to me. You are that me to me. Ho 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 ho. Golly, ba-ba-bam. Inventory, ba-boom. I'm pushing a bullet, okay. Die, fool! Ooh, we got a Winchester. Nice. Nice, dude. Yeah, I thought. Oh my god, my Kevlar armor is so protective. Yes. Oh, you guys. You guys already know I'm gonna be playing for a long time after this, man. I got a freaking minigun and I'm ready to go. Let's do this, boys. Yes! Okay, boom, brilliant. I'm not. 12 armor compared to 7 armor. Oh my god, I'm so armored. I got the Kevlar body set, the most overpowered armor in the game. No way! Wow! I think so, yeah. Forge. 6 armor, cool, nice. No, I'm not gonna take much. I'm a go. And I'm gonna run, and I'm gonna wreck some face. I'm gonna wreck some face. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a sure to subscribe and smack that bell. And remember, if I get to 25 subscribers, I will do the fourth comment and the fourth person who comments a challenge to me. I will do it. Oh man, this is gonna be a big one. Why did I say that? It is what it is. Okay, dudes, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace. Wait, oh, peace.